Board of Directors. It is my honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 42nd Annual General Meeting of Mangalam Organics Limited. I extend my gratitude to all members joining us today. This year marks another milestone in our journey as we continue to navigate the challenges and opportunities within the chemical industry. The annual general meeting is once again being conducted through virtual mode in compliance with the directives issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities Exchange Board of India. While we cherish the physical presence of our shareholders, the virtual mode allows for wider participation, enabling our shareholders to join from the comfort of their locations, ensuring safety and inclusivity. As we look ahead to 2024, the global economy remains resilient, with projected growth of 3.2% for both 2024 and 2025. Advanced economies are expected to see slight improvement, while emerging markets may experience a modest slowdown. Global inflation is on downward trend, expected to fall from 6.8% in 2023 to 4.5% in 2025. Despite challenges, the global economy has shown surprising strength, particularly in service sector. However, we must stay vigilant. Geopolitical tensions and challenges in China's property sector could impact financial markets. On the positive side, advances in technology, especially artificial intelligence, and potential fiscal policy adjustments could boost productivity and ease inflation sooner than expected. Financial markets have seen volatility reflecting the complex dynamics at play. But with agility, innovation, and resilience, I am confident we will navigate these challenges and seize the opportunity ahead. With great pride, I highlight India's remarkable achievement in 2024. On the leap day, our GDP growth reached an impressive 8.4% in the third quarter of this fiscal year, surpassing all forecasts. This achievement underscores the resilience of our nation and the robustness of our economic fundamentals. With this substantial revision to previous data, India's year-over-year GDP growth has already reached 8.2%, solidifying our position as fastest growing major economy in the world. The growth has been fueled by strong investment activity, a broad-based resurgence in manufacturing and services, and the government's strategic focus on capital expenditure. Additionally, inflation has moderated, with the headlines CPI inflation declining to 5.3% and core inflation falling to record low of 3.4% in February 2024. These positive developments allowed the Monetary Policy Committee to maintain a stable policy repo rate, striking a balance between growth and inflation. While volatile food prices and global uncertainties present risk to our economic outlook, despite these challenges, I am confident that our strong domestic demand, positive business sentiment, and resilient corporate balance sheets will enable us to sustain this growth momentum. As we move forward, our focus will remain on innovation, resilience, and capitalizing on the opportunities ahead. Together, we will continue to propel India's remarkable economic journey. I am pleased to share the exciting development within the global chemical market, which has been remarkable growth in recent years. In 2023, the market reached a size of $5.1 trillion, and it is projected to expand further to $5.6 trillion in 2024, making a robust compound annual growth rate of 9.9%. This impressive expansion can be attributed to global economic conditions, market conditions, and the growing demand for diverse chemical products. Looking ahead, the chemicals market is expected to continue its upward trajectory, reaching an estimated $7.8 trillion by 2028. This growth will be driven by several key factors, including stricter environmental regulations, shifts in consumer preferences towards renewable and bio-based material, and ongoing digital transformation within the industry. Trends such as sustainability, green chemistry, and advancements in materials and nanotechnology will shape the future of our market. In India, our chemical industry stands as a global powerhouse. We are the fourth largest producer of agrochemicals worldwide and account for a significant portion of global dyestuff production. From April to December 2023 alone, India's agrochemical exports reached $3.12 billion, and our dye exports totaled $1.69 billion. India's vibrant colorant industry now holds a 15% share of the global market, and our country continues to lead in generics, biosimilars, and vaccines. Our chemical industry, largely delicensed except for a few hazardous substances, has positioned India as a strong player in global arena. We rank 14th in chemical exports and 8th in imports, excluding pharmaceuticals, demonstrating our significant role in international market. As we move towards, let us continue to capitalize on the strengths, embracing innovation and sustainability to drive further growth. India's chemical industry, covering over 80,000 commercial products, is one of the most diversified sectors globally, spanning bulk chemicals, specialty chemicals, agrochemicals, petrochemicals, polymers, and fertilizers. As the sixth largest producer of chemicals in the world and third in Asia, this sector contributes 7% to India's GDP, valued at $220 billion in 2022. It is expected to grow to $300 billion by 2025 and reach a $1 trillion by 2040. India's strategic proximity to Middle East, a major source of petrochemical feeds, offers significant economics of scale. The government has implemented initiatives like mandatory BIS certification for imported chemicals to prevent influx of substandard products, recognizing the chemical industry as a crucial growth driver. By 2025, the chemical sector is projected to constitute 25% of India's manufacturing GDP. Despite global challenges, India's chemical industry is poised for growth, benefiting from supply chain disruptions in China and geopolitical shifts. The government's support through fiscal incentive and dedicated hubs under the Petroleum, Chemicals and Petrochemicals Investment Regions (PCPIR) policy aims to attract significant investment and drive industry development. Growing demand from end-user industry, including food processing, personal care, and home care, has boosted the growth of various chemicals market segments. The chemical industry is expected to contribute $383 billion to India's GDP by 2030. Coming to your company, which is a prominent chemical manufacturer company in India, your company extended its lead, protected its margin, increased its investment to prepare for future and helpful its presence grow across the country. Our flagship brands, Mangalam and Campior, exert irresistible appeal, turn heads and inspire dreams. They are where creativity reaches its zenith, where magnetic force of desirability is strongest. Though this financial year was extremely challenging due to falling commodity prices across the globe, our expertise and experience has helped us to tide over this phase successfully. Throughout the challenging period our world has experienced these past few years, the desirability of our products has continued ever upward journey among our customers. We have seen a notable increase in demand for camphor across various industries, including pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and religious ceremonies. Our ability to meet this growing demand is a reflection of our commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction. We have worked tirelessly to enhance our production capabilities, improve our supply chain efficiency, and expand our product offerings to meet the evolving needs of our customers. Our net sales stood at 407.92 crores for the financial year. Despite exorbitant fall in the camphor prices, we have been able to grow in terms of volume, though we have seen downfall in the net turnover compared to previous financial year from 468.36 crores in the financial year 2023. The highlight of this year is that we have transitioned from a loss of 27.09 crore to a profit of 4.21 crores with an EBITDA of 36.91 crores compared to negative EBITDA of 2.01 crores last year. This turnaround is attributed to increased production, yield, and various cost-cutting measures implemented by the company. Like the fragrant essence of camphor, which has been distilled and refined over generations, our family's legacy is built on the foundation of values passed down through the ages. As we look to the future, we remain steadfast in our dedication to preserving the art of traditional camphor production by embracing new opportunities and technologies to ensure a sustainable and thriving business opportunities. Your company has a state-of-art manufacturing facility spread over about 30 acres of Kumbhavali village in Raigad district of Maharashtra. The manufacturing site also has logistic advantage as it is situated on Mumbai-Pune Expressway for pan-India road connectivity. Container Terminal Jawaharlal Nehru Port JNPT is situated about 60 kilometers away from the plant. The manufacturing operations are highly automated and run by robust operation system that efficiently integrates the functions related to quality control, stores, packing, dispatch, maintenance, including R&D. The company regularly reviews the plant system, procedures, and practices to enhance productivity, efficiency, and safety. Our manufacturing facility is technologically advanced that enable us to manufacture products of highest quality with best yields, lowest energy consumption, and highest safety and pollution control standards. The manufacturing activities of the products conform to standards. Your company specializes in the production of various chemicals, including camphor. We are known for their high-quality products and have a strong presence in the industry. Your company produces terpenes from pine chemicals, from which a number of sub-products like camphor, isoborneol acetate, isoborneol, and dipentene and sodium acetate are manufactured. It also produces synthetic resins under the single segment of chemicals. It is engaged in manufacturing and selling of camphor and byproducts and various synthetic resins in India and abroad. The strength of our pine chemicals products lie in their natural origin, carefully extracted from renewable resources and free from the adverse effects of synthetic chemicals. This unique advantage makes them highly sought after across various industries, including religion and worship, where purity and natural essence are paramount. Pharmaceuticals, where natural ingredients enhance efficiency and safety. Flavors and fragrance, where natural scent and tastes captivate the senses. Rubber and tire chemicals, where natural additives improve performance and durability. Paints and varnishes, where natural ingredients ensure a safer and more sustainable finish. Our products' versatility and natural benefit make them an ideal choice for these diverse sectors. Camphor is the flagship product in our terpene operations segment, with a growing demand beyond traditional puja uses. We are witnessing an increasing trend of camphor adoption in everyday life, particularly in hygiene and aromatherapy application. Building on this momentum, we have launched sales of our terpene intermediates and are poised to steady growth in this area. As we continue to expand our presence in this market, we are confident that our terpene products will make a significant contribution to overall growth. Our synthetic resin is also getting noticed by large domestic and international players, which has contributed to our bottom line handsomely. This year, we have gained healthy margins due to the expansion we did previously in this segment. I would like to draw your attention towards the industry overview and class of chemicals which we are dealing with. Pine chemicals. Your company is leading pine chemical manufacturer in India. Pine chemicals are derived from pine trees and they have many uses. They can be used in the production of adhesives, fragrances, cleaning products, and even in the food industry. Pine chemicals are natural compounds that are extracted from pine trees. These chemicals are obtained from various parts of the tree, such as bark, needles, and resins. One of the most well-known pine chemical is turpentine, which is derived from the resin of the pine tree. Turpentine is used in wide range of products, including paints, varnish, and solvents. Another important pine chemical is rosin, which is obtained from the sap of pine tree. Rosin is used in production of adhesive, ink, and even in musical instruments like violin bows. Additionally, pine chemicals are used in the fragrance industry to create scents that are reminiscent of fresh and woody aroma of pine trees. They are also used in cleaning antibacterial and deodorizing properties. Overall, pine chemicals are incredibly versatile and have numerous applications in various industries. Terpenes. Terpenes are a diverse group of organic compounds found in various plants, including pine trees. They are responsible for the unique aroma and flavor of plant, such as refreshing scent of citrus fruits or the relaxing smell of lavender. Terpenes have gained attention for their potential therapeutic properties like reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. They are also used in the production of essential oils, fragrances, and even as flavoring in food and beverages. So terpenes are not only aromatic, but they also have some interesting benefits. Your company produces terpenes and pine chemicals from which a number of sub-products like camphor, isobutanol acetate, isobutanol, and dipentene and sodium acetate are manufactured. Company is primarily products in our terpene operation segment. Synthetic resin. Synthetic resins are man-made material that have similar properties to natural resin, but they are created through chemical processes. These resins have a wide range of application in various industries. They can be used as adhesive, coating, and even in the production of plastics. Synthetic resins offer advantages like increased durability, resistance to heat and chemicals, and the ability to be molded into different shapes. They are used in everyday segments like furniture, automotive parts, and packaging material. So synthetic resins play a big role in our daily lives, even we might not have realized it. Your company produces synthetic resin under the single segment of chemicals. It is engaged in manufacture and selling of camphor and byproducts and various synthetic resin in India and abroad. On the synthetic resin front, a slight recovery was visible as other manufacturing units were able to work on the uninterrupted basis. Our synthetic resin strategy is in place. There is stable demand and healthy margins in the products we manufacture. Aroma chemicals. Aroma chemicals are synthetic compounds that are used to create specific scents and fragrances. They are like secret ingredients that give fragrance their unique and captivating scents. These chemicals can be made to smell like flowers, fruits, spices, or they can be completely new and synthetic, giving rise to new and innovative fragrances. Aroma chemicals are widely used in fragrance industry and are present in various products such as perfumes, soaps, candles, and air fresheners. They help to create delightful and memorable olfactory experiences. Your company is recognized for an expertise in producing a wide range of chemicals, including camphor. Our commitment to quality and strong presence in the industry make us a trusted name in the market. Your company products have application in number of sectors such as religion and worship, pharmaceuticals, flavors and fragrance, rubber and tire chemicals, paints and varnish, among others. The company caters to both domestic and international market. In addition to having a wide reach and strong footprint in domestic market, it is expanding its global operations. As its products have variety of industrial application, it has established a strong B2B and B2C presence despite facing competition from domestic and international players. As one of the key players in the pine chemicals market, your company has carved out a position for itself with clients in USA, the Middle East, Europe, Asia, and Africa. We keep improving the capacities and grades that are offered from the same unit in the order to increase our market share in domestic and foreign markets. Our retail operations are executed through our 100% subsidiary, Mangalam Brands Private Limited, MBPL. Our revitalized efforts have yielded impressive results during drawing robust growth across all three pillars of our operations, Mangalam, Campure, and private label. Our expanded general trade channel now reach an extensive network across 18 Indian states, while our modern trade channel provides access to over 4,000 organized sector stores. Furthermore, we continue to dominate e-commerce space, fueling growth by expanding the category. On the brand front, we are strategically investing in digital platform and exhibitions to boost awareness and generate trials, ensuring our brand remains top of mind of customer. The brand Mangalam represents camphor tablets for religious purpose and Bhimseni camphor for aromatherapy. Whereas the brand Campure represents home care products based on camphor such as camphor cone, camphor sticks, camphor air purifier, camphor hand wash, camphor soap, bar, camphor hand sanitizer, camphor liquid vaporizer, camphor surface cleaner. Our brands are seeing volume growth as a consequence of our general trade expansion across India, growing numbers of modern trade locations, rising e-commerce penetration, and exploring new channels, including avenues for institutional and corporate gifting. To support the growing demand, we have also augmented our retail products manufacturing facility by investing in state-of-art machines and are now well positioned to cater the increased requirement with less chances of stock out situation at peak times. On the branding front, we continue to invest money astutely through innovative campaigns across TV, digital, and exhibition accompanied with lots of sampling to drive product awareness and trials. We continue on our path towards improving quality and improving margins. We are working closely with customers to provide tailored solution, aiming to partner with large domestic and export clients and grow alongside them. For 2024 and 25, we will focus on sustainable growth by increasing domestic and export market share, increasing efficiency of the company present production capacity, boosting B2C businesses. We are committed to enhancing our bottom line through improved efficiency and strategic revaluation. Looking ahead, we plan to expand our market presence, explore new product sentiments, and enhance customer satisfaction. Our ambitious expansion plan includes increasing production capacity, diversifying our production, and entering new market. We are also excited about pursuing strategic partnership and acquisition. Our ultimate goal is to become global leader in the camphor and terpene derivative market. I can say with confidence that our company will improve its performance further in the current year. And all these achievements would not have been possible without the support of all the stakeholders, including the suppliers who ensure continuous supply. Answers to your questions as well, like how much growth we expect in next few years. Since camphor consumption in the country is increasing, hygiene items, company expects good growth. What kind of margins do we expect on a sustainable basis? Now, this definitely depends on the market conditions. The reason being, we have seen in last 2 years the prices having come down almost from 800 rupees to 300 rupees. And they have rebound back, so the company is doing well. What is the expectation for current year in terms of top line and bottom line? Presently, revenue and profit has not been worked out, and therefore we will not be able to tell you. However, soon we will be having our September results, which will be published. The reason for dramatic fall in the OPM operating profit margin from 38%, you mentioned during the year 21 to 8% in financial year 24. We are in basically commodity business, and due to corrections in the camphor price, OPM fell dramatically, which I mentioned earlier. The steady state of OPM that we are maintaining going forward, this will again depend on the market conditions, and we feel it will be reasonably good. What are the maximum revenue that we can generate at full capacity utilization, and what are our capex plan? As I said, this will depend on the market conditions and the dynamics, and we hope things will stabilize during this year. Do our products enjoy any premium over the competition? Yes, your FMCG products enjoy premium in the market. What is the business and plans for our subsidiaries, Mangalam Puja Store Private Limited, Mangalam Brands Private Limited, and Mangalam Specialty Chemicals Limited? We are doing great in the terms of revenue in market acquisition in Mangalam Brands. For Mangalam Puja and Mangalam Specialty, it is too early to comment on business. With intermediate products, have we launched or are we planning to launch in the near future? Our R&D department, research and department, is working on this continuously, and we are in the process of launching intermediate products. Soon you will hear about it. What was our average sales realization and volumes in the year 2021, 22, 23, 24, and first half of 25? We have experienced wide fluctuation in the price of the camphor, and last 3 years the fluctuations have been very much. And however, whatever we have been able to produce, we have been able to sell, which is a good, healthy point for your company. What is our export target for the year 2024 to 2025? We expect about 10% growth over financial year. What is the threat from Chinese imports, and what is the import duty on the same? No such dependency on China or even Brazil for raw material. Raw material is amply available in countries like Indonesia, Vietnam, Europe, Russia, USA, Mexico. What is our domestic market share? Approximately 20% is the domestic, our market share. Are we planning to launch any camphor product for skincare, soap, edible products, aromatherapy? Yes, we do have those products, and our research and development department are continuously working for including more and more items. We have received approvals from tire and adhesive customers. Yes, we do supply material to tire and adhesive industry, and therefore we do have their approvals. But it's an ongoing process. You have to keep on continuing pursuing customers in India as well as abroad. What is the following other non-current financial assets at amortized cost? Security deposit of rupees 10 crores. It's a security deposit given for the office premises. With this, I hope I have answered all the questions you have raised. So I think if anything else is left, please get in touch with our secretarial department and they will be happy to give any explanation or answers. Thank you very much. With this, we conclude the question answer session. Members may note that the voting on LinkedIn Time platform will continue to be available for the next 15 minutes. Therefore, members who have not cast their votes yet are requested to do so. The Board of Directors has appointed Mr. Yogesh Sharma as the scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process. Further, I hereby authorize Chamisha, the Company Secretary, to declare the results of e-voting and place the results on the website of the company at the earliest. I once again thank all my colleagues on the board and dear shareholders for attending this meeting. Now, with the permission and Board of Directors, I would like to leave the meeting.